Brian LaRose here. Day 2 of VMworld 2017 is underway, and we have behind me the hands-on labs and all the breakout sessions. Pat Gelsinger came out on stage this morning, made a variety of announcements, including a very exciting announcement about a product called App Defense, which you'll hear more about later in the day. We also made a very exciting announcement with HP Device as a Service, as well as some other announcements around specific product releases like vCloud Foundation 2.2. So it's been a great start to Day 2. The partners and customers are now at the breakout labs and the breakout sessions and hands-on labs, and looking forward to wrapping up their first couple of days.
Site to Vegas and thousands more online. In fact, if we could bring up the house lights now, and for those online, if you could just see everybody here in the auditorium.
Pat Gelsinger brought up the house lights today to show everyone online and around the world the 25,000 attendees at VMworld 2017, the largest VM gathering ever.
Welcome back to VMworld 2017. This is Brian LaRose. We're doing our partner focus videos. Today we're focusing in the IBM booth on the amazing integrations that Sebastian Lawrency and Susan Ruin from IBM have done with Pepper from the IBM Executive Briefing Center in Austin, Texas. So Sebastian, tell us a little bit about vRealize and the vRealize suite and how IBM has really taken that to the next level with Pepper.
Oh yes, sure. I think that now with VMware vRealize Automation, we've been able in fact to integrate that with our systems within IBM. So we've been able to use Power systems and to use Linux One systems, and we have been able to integrate that also with the vSphere. And we have now an end-to-end solution where with Pepper here, using IBM Watson APIs in IBM Bluemix, we can automatically deploy using natural language.
Absolutely.
So simple.
So this is an amazing integration that really shows the power of the underlying VMware infrastructure, as well as the capabilities of the IBM artificial intelligence and AI ML work that you are doing. So
correctly.
At this point, Susan's going to do a demo.
Hi, I'm Pepper from the IBM Austin Executive Briefing Center. Let's get started. Hello friend, I'm Pepper. I can help you do automated hybrid cloud deployments to IBM and VMware vSphere systems. Would you like to deploy an image using VMware vRealize Automation?
Yes.
Great! Which platform would you like to deploy to? Please tell me if you would like to deploy to an IBM Power system, Linux One, or to vSphere.
I would like vSphere.
Great! We will provision to vSphere. Before we deploy, I need a little more information. On vSphere, I can deploy a Linux CentOS image. Do you need a small, medium, or large image?
I would like a small.
We're all set. Give me a moment and I will get your deployment started. Thanks. Okay, I am going to deploy a small CentOS image to VMware vSphere using VMware vRealize Automation. Before we get started, I'd like to show you the architecture we are using for our hybrid cloud provisioning. After receiving your request, I talked to a Node.js application running an IBM Bluemix in the public cloud. The Node.js app uses the IBM Bluemix Secure Gateway service to interface with VMware vRealize Automation and a secure gateway client. In this example, the client is running in a Linux One VM. VMware vRealize Automation accepts your request from the public cloud and provisions to the appropriate platform in the private cloud. Now that you've seen the environment, let's get the deployment started. First, I'll initialize the environment. Thanks, we are initialized. Now that we are initialized, let's do the deployment. The result of your deployment is status code 200. The status code of the deployment indicates your image deployed successfully. That was fun. We can do another deployment if you'd like.
Brian LaRose coming to you here on Partner Focus, and I'm joined tonight by Alan Renouf. Very nice to have you with us, Senior Product Line Manager for VMware's API and CLI. And I want to have you talk a little bit. We're outside the hackathon. There's a lot of noise in the background. Alan, could you tell our viewers tonight who are primarily partner focused, what's going on here at the hackathon? What's the hackathon all about?
Well, the hackathon is really about just getting a bunch of geeks together in a room and allowing them to bash on our products and see what fun stuff they can do. We literally had 15 teams put their names down, and then other people join those teams and come up with ideas ranging from reporting scripts to working with the Python SDK, working with Chef. Some people are here just to learn. They're all just here just to mess around, have a few beers, have some pizza, talk to like-minded people and see what they can achieve.
Wonderful, wonderful. It's a great event. I've been in the back observing, and it's wonderful that VMware fosters that collaboration, that coding spirit within our partner base. And I know a lot of our partners out there tonight are going to want to both learn about what went on, and then in the future, they're going to have their own hackathons at their own customer site, partner sites to make things happen. So. Well, that's a wrap on day 2 of VMworld 2017 in Las Vegas. We've had a great day today. Pat Gelsinger and the VMware team had a variety of announcements to start the day. A great keynote address with some very awesome use cases from some very key customers like Cisco and Medtronic. So wonderful, wonderful day here in Las Vegas, wrapped up by the hackathon, which is wrapping up behind me. They're going to start the judging process shortly and hand out some prizes. So thanks for staying tuned here on Partner Focus. It's been a great day. Looking forward to some special announcements tomorrow. So stay tuned for that general session. You can stream it live to your browser. And of course, always follow us here on Partner Focus. Thanks again for watching.